In recent years, food safety is becoming paramount and very important, and the regulations and the requirement of the customer are becoming tighter and more stringent as days go by.
Given that our produce is consumed by the end customer without any cooking, it becomes critical to ensure traceability and adherence to standards.
However, it's not easy for organizations to achieve this feat unless they work deeply with their supply chain partners.
So the challenges with contract farming is that we'll have to get the farmers to adopt systems. We have to get the farmers to learn where the produce is going, what are the risks, what are the challenges, and to make sure that they are getting a good crop.
Quality of fresh produce and the package of practices were always of utmost importance to a customer like McDonald's.
Therefore, the evolving trend amongst the food producers is to build their value proposition on the ethos of trust, transparency, and sustainability.
But previously, monitoring of the POP at the field level we were finding is really difficult.
It wasn't always easy to demonstrate. It meant photographs, printouts, Excel sheets, and everything else that we needed to share with the customer to prove that our produce was safe to consume.
We work with a contract farming company called Green Earth Fresh Produce in the Nilgiris that directly works with smallholder farmers in production of iceberg lettuce that is eventually supplied to McDonald's and other companies.
The company leverages our technology platform to organize the supply chain from production, processing and distribution, thus creating a digital footprint enabling easy and transparent verification of the claims.
The pre-harvest journey of the produce, right from providing saplings to the farmers to geomapping of the farmlands, helping farmers with crop planning and providing agronomy advisory, are all accomplished through our offline-first multilingual Android application.
A solution like TraceX allows us a level of transparency that's reassuring to any customer.
So we need to incorporate technology into the whole production system to ensure that every lettuce head that is harvested here, the history and the entire genesis of that lettuce head is tracked, recorded and always open for scrutiny.
So to get that, we used to ask for 24 hours. I think with this TraceX, I think they can get the details. They need not to ask me at all, because all the information is provided in the crate itself with the barcode, and they need not to ask me. They can access my farm, real time.
This helps them achieve better customer trust and product premiums, eventually benefiting the smallholder farmers too as a result of organized supply chain.
Through these good practices, we have achieved post-harvest losses of around 1.5%, and we have records, we have data to prove, we're constantly tracking that and improving even today.
Traceability and provenance are becoming ever more important in the consumer's minds, with everyone becoming more conscious of the food they consume. With TraceX, they can be rest assured that our fresh produce is safe to eat.